So I'm checking out this Kobalt 14-inch 40-volt chainsaw. So right off the bat, and this is new in the box by the way, but right off the bat I'll tell you that my previous one, this isn't the first one, this is the second one. The previous one just seized up on me. So I'm opening this one for the first time. The good news is that I got a lot of good work out of it before it seized up, and the best news of all, it was immediately replaced by Lowe's. You can walk in there and swap it out, and they don't give you any trouble over it. Now I'm opening this up like upside down and everything wrong, but anyway, okay, so here we've got the fresh item. Will come with a charger, of course. I've got this charged up 4 amp hour. Now the one in the box is probably charged up too, but I figured just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and have one of these ready. And by the way, it took me way too long to notice that this is a battery tester right here. So when you push that little battery button, it shows you how full it is. And so clearly that one's full, so we're gonna use that one. Just out of curiosity, let's see how full the new battery was. Oh, nope, just a quarter. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing together. It doesn't take long. Okay, so I've got the thing assembled here, and there's one more thing that you're gonna need, and that is bar and chain oil. First goes in what is clearly the only fluid reservoir on the item. Yep. Okay. Doesn't necessarily have to be full, but there is a minimum. So we've got enough to operate. Okay, so we are now en route to the big tree. Let's see how well this Kobalt can handle this job. That helps you see that it's a good sized tree.
It breaks my heart every time she flutters by, and I don't wanna cry. I know she's not coming back all this time.
Look at those rings. Wow. Cool.
Well, she's my favorite lie. I tell everyone she's still mine, 'cause I don't wanna cry no more. But I know she's not coming back all anymore. Please
Okay, so I failed to film it, but I've done a few more cuts on large pieces here. So I just cut this, which was a dead trunk standing right in the way. And then I cut this one off and rolled it over there. And I cut that one over there, pushed it aside. Of the Kobalt chainsaw. Well, what I think is this. Up until something goes wrong with it, it's just as good as any electric chainsaw I've seen. And if something goes wrong with it, they replace it, no questions asked, no trouble. So the combination of those two things, a tool that is functional, that does work, and a tool that the store or manufacturer has no problem swapping it out hassle-free, that makes for a good tool in my opinion, and that's why I keep buying these Kobalt tools. That and that these big batteries all fit with each other. That makes any given job much more convenient, knowing you have a large number of those batteries ready and charged. So anyway, we'll finish this trail soon, but that's the review and video for today on the Kobalt brushless 40 volt max 14 inch 35 centimeter chainsaw. Okay then.